I'm Tracy Edwards, skipper of Maiden, the first all-female challenge in the Whitbread Round the World race. Oh, shit. That is my smile.
They're off. The fifth Whitbread Round the World yacht race is underway.
The Whitbread was the race.
I made the decision to put an all-female crew into the race.
So this was the first. Sailing in those days was very much a man's sport.
I don't see why I shouldn't be allowed to sail because I'm a girl.
We were absolutely determined.
People were scathing.
Well, it was an all-woman crew.
A bunch of girls. How'd you all get on?
There's lots of Vaseline for chapped lips, waterproof mascara.
A very well-known yachting journalist referred to us as a tin full of tarts.
The further we got, the nastier this stuff would get. How many times were told we couldn't do it? You're not strong enough. You're not skilled enough. You'll all die.
Some people call it the sea of certain death.
It's like hitting a brick wall every 10 seconds.
Bang! I made a couple of really stupid choices.
One mistake could mean disaster.
You're on your own. There is no hope if anything happens.
It was just something I had to do.